There's something extremely satisfying about changing your own oil. Even as messy as it is and what a pain in the butt it is to dispose of the old stuff. Well, if you do it correctly or responsibly. But nice to do stuff yourself sometime. What's up, y'all? T-Fade. And new car, so new diary. Well, it's not really new, but it is new to the house here for a little while. I don't know if any or how many of y'all know, but Skip and I sort of have joint custody of the CRX, the black one. And he's had it for a while, but it's been sitting up. He hasn't had time to play with it. So, with in case you didn't know, I sold the CRV. So that chapter is closed, and we're gonna start a new chapter with the CRX now, which is always my bottom bitch. You guys know I love CRX. So I thought I'd just walk y'all through where I'm at with this thing right now. It is a mess. It is raggedy. It needs a lot of love. Yeah, man, I hardly even know where to start, to be honest with you, but we'll just start at the beginning. So yeah, let's walk around this thing. All right, from the beginning, I got it up on jack stands. I'm changing the oil because it's been sitting up for so long, but it's been sitting up over a year, and the thing cranked, I mean, on the first crank. But it needs some maintenance. You know, it's got some little oil leaks here and there, and but the thing, it runs pretty damn well. Obviously, the staple, the damn excess power super bank. I think this is one of the first super banks made or sold, and that thing has been in whatever I've driven or competed in since then. I don't even know, 6, 7, 8 years, who knows, but that thing is a beast. If you guys don't have any super banks, get some. So really, under the hood is pretty much all stock for now, but we did just get new wheels, Koenig. I think I don't even know what model they are, but they're super light. I did the rear disc conversion. The last time I had it, I did the rear disc conversion from a DA Integra. We did the Yonaka exhaust. Did a short shift kit. I did all new suspension. I forget what kind of adjustable coilovers. Oh, Yonaka. Again, Yonaka fanboy. But oh yeah, the other thing was, I never even gave y'all any updates on this roof because it was such a friggin' mess. But basically, I wanted to delete the sunroof, and I went through like a year of trying to figure that out instead of just doing it correctly, which was ripping this whole thing out, putting some plate metal up here, welding it in, and then skinning it. And I'm obviously not the best body man in the world. You can still see a little seam, but it's not terrible. Not for a rookie. This paint from sitting up, man, it really needs some love. But yeah, I need to do something with all this. I'm not sure what yet. Let's see. The interior is just, I mean, good grief. Door panels are out. I think I busted this window, so I had to take a lot of this stuff out to change this window out. So the door panels are still off. I don't know if I'm gonna go back with custom door panels or make my own or just put the stock ones back on. I don't know yet, but removable steering wheel here. This thing, I love this thing. Like a short shifter. first piece of the puzzle will be to fill this hole right here, and I'll fill it with this thing, the Sony RSX G9. So that'll be going in here shortly. And then I'll put all this crap back in. I might do a front tub down there in the kick. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I got the ampere components in the doors right now. Oh my God, the hatch's giving me anxiety. I think we pretty much got the water leaking issue taken care of, although it is moist back here, so there's still a little bit, but man, years past, this son of a bitch would have just been flooded. So we got it mitigated. Oh God, oh my God. Yeah, last time I had this bright idea of doing these like brackets here to like mount amps and keep them up off of all this bullshit. But that's a terrible idea. That actually might be one of the reasons why the damn fuel pump is so loud. It's like resonating through those effing aluminum bars. But yeah, also change the fuel pump. I had to drop the tank. Had to drop the tank to do a to change the float, the level, gas gauge float. So I was like, while I'm in there, might as well change the fuel pump in case I ever want to boost it later. So I put a Walbro 255 in there, and holy hell is it loud. I don't know if y'all saw my my post the other day. What the hell is this? What does this do? Where is this going? What is that for? Is that for the dome light? What the shit is that? What? Why is there masking tape on it? Bruh. Alright. Anyway, so I have a run of 1/0 coming back here, or 2/0, whatever, sundown. So I'll figure out a spot for an excess lithium. Well, maybe I can get it on one of these corners or something out of the way, and then figure out what to do. Oh my God, I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Do I put it back like stock or do it custom panels back here? Y'all hear my son bouncing the basketball? I'm at a loss. I'm at a loss right now. Excess cap bank under the hood, Sony. Still no idea what I'm gonna do. Probably some sort of dash pods. Some sort of dash pods in the corners here, probably. Maybe kicks. I don't know. There's just like no room in the kicks down here though. I've got to do something. I think I'm gonna just replace this whole seat, get like a Recaro racing seat thing. I also don't think I'm gonna even bother trying to bring this horrible paint job back to life. Probably just wrap it. I don't know. Obviously, something's just growing shit. It's been sitting up for so long. Good grief. Oh, my poor baby. We're gonna get you back. We're gonna get you back right. Anyway, that's where we're at. That is where we're at with the new project, the CRX Diaries. All right, people. Till next time.